video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a QB inventory redesign script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Now make sure to delete the default inventory script from your resource folder. Now rename the file and remove the edit and main from here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the look of the inventory which we have installed into our FiveM server. When you right click on any item, you will get these options over here. First one is for use the item, second option is for give item to any player, and in this you will get 3 more options. So for now it is showing no one nearby. The third option is for drop. It is to drop the item in the ground, as you can see. Fourth option is for split. From this you can split the item. Over here, if you right click on any weapon, you will get 2 additional options over here. First one is for copy the serial number and the second one is for attachments, as you can see. Now let's get inside the store. So I'll be purchasing some food from here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.